In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Mobirise from your HTML in the Mobirise app. We're going to walk through a simple setting that cleans up your generated code by removing the Mobirise branding from your HTML. This is useful if you want a more professional, white-labeled output, or you're handing the files off to clients or team members. Start by logging into the Mobirise application. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with the account you use for your projects. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Having an active session ensures you can access all available settings tied to your account. Once you're in, look for the main menu. You'll typically find it at the top left of the interface, represented by a menu icon or labeled Menu, depending on your version. Click that to open the application's global options. In the menu, select Account. This section manages your profile and the preferences tied to your login. Clicking Account will open a panel or page with several controls and links related to how the app behaves for you specifically. Next, choose App Settings. This is where Mobirise puts its general behavior toggles, things that affect how the app generates and handles your project files. Click App Settings to open the list of available options. Now find the option labeled Remove Mobirise from HTML. This toggle controls whether Mobirise inserts its name into your generated pages, such as in meta tags, comments, or generator tags within the HTML. Enable this option by checking the box or flipping the switch to the on position. When it's enabled, the app will stop adding that branding to your code. There's nothing else you need to press. Mobirise typically saves this preference automatically. From now on, when you create, export, or publish your projects, the generated HTML should no longer include the Mobirise reference. If you've previously exported files, keep in mind those older files won't change retroactively. The setting applies to new or regenerated output. If you ever need the branding back for troubleshooting or documentation, you can return here and toggle it off. To recap, log into Mobirise, open the menu, go to Account, then App Settings, and enable Remove Mobirise from HTML. That's all it takes to keep your code clean and unbranded. If you don't see the change in your output, double check that you're in the correct account, confirm the toggle is still on, and regenerate your pages so the new setting is reflected. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner HTML.